Hello VIP. Today we're going to teach you how to set up in Twitch a collab cam so you can play with your friends and see their reactions online. Alright, so I'm not going to hesitate, I'm going to get right in. So basically, if you've got Streamlabs OBS, just open it up, pick a new source, and then you're going to want to select collab cam. And now I've got a few already existing collab cams, so ignore that. We'll just add a new one, just like you will not have this option, so you'll just add a new one. And then this pop-up is going to come up. And basically, it's important to know that you're responsible for what happens on your stream. So if you're going to share these keys out, make sure you do it with someone you trust. But basically, once you hit OK to this, you're going to get a new box that has the link that you can copy. You'll definitely want to make sure that if you're streaming, this is hidden. Either do it beforehand or just don't show this scene while you're doing this. And you can have up to 10 people to join. When they join, you'll see them in the upper right-hand corner. And you can basically then select them and put them on a camera. This is just like your normal camera sources, so you can have an overlay for it, etc. And then eventually it's going to look like this presentation here, where you can see us actually playing and streaming the game together, and he's in the bottom right and I'm in the bottom left. And again, you can have up to 10 people at this current time with this setup. So I'm really excited about this feature. I hope you are too, and hopefully you can use this to take your streams to the next level. Smash those like and subscribe buttons for more content. Thank you.